Hello, in this series, we will go through the eBay onboarding process. First of all, in the first video, we will show how to connect eBay to the SKU Grid account. We have a new account that was just created to connect eBay. We go to Settings, Marketplaces, Connect New Marketplace, choose eBay, and your corresponding country. For us, it's United States. Click Save. Now, once the settings are loaded, we need to choose Direct API in the first drop-down as a connection method. And then, since the API works through eCom Syndicator, we need to set up eCom Syndicator, which SKU Grid does automatically. Just click the link to create and set up eCom Syndicator automatically. Wait a little bit. Okay, it's all set up now. We just need to connect eCom Syndicator to eBay. Click the link to connect it. When the new tab will open up, just log in to grant application access to eCom Syndicator. Click Agree. And that's it. This is the eCom Syndicator. We can close this tab since it's connected. So, the eCom Syndicator is connected now. Click I'm done. Now, we need to set up prices. Setting up selling formula for our eBay. So, first of all, let's set up all the fees. So, for eBay fees it's 15%. For PayPal fees it's 30 cents for the whole dollar amount and 2.9% for the payment processing. Now, let's set up other values. For vendor tax, we don't pay any vendor tax and we want to make at least 20% margin. But we also have a minimum margin for prices at a low price. We want to make at least $5. So, we include shipping allocations. We don't need to convert the currency since we buy and sell in the same country. We can try to estimate price. Click Estimate Price, enter sample price. That's what we get at the end. Make sure to click Close and Apply. And after this, make sure to click Save Settings. Okay, eBay is connected to SKU Grid. Now, we need to handle our items. There are several ways. If you already have items in eBay account, you can import them. But we don't have any items in our eBay account. So, let's set up Lister to create new item.